Welcome traders, looking at RCPT today for a long. We had a gap up about 4-5%. We had a pullback and now we've had this phase of consolidation. I'm going to look to buy 1,000 shares over 125. I'm in now 200 shares, 124.39. I'm going to buy another 300 shares, maybe 200 shares in the next few seconds. Once all the triggers over 126, we'll be looking to find highs hopefully around 128. Then I'll be looking for a break over 128 to continue up to around 129, possibly 128.50. Now another one I'll be looking at is this ITUB. It looks like a opening range breakout. It's a perfect example of an opening range breakout, but it doesn't seem like it wants to go at the moment. On the hourly chart you can see it's actually bouncing off of a moving average, so it looks like a pretty perfect entry, but seeing the 3.7% gap down, I'm not too sure about it at the moment, so we're just going to hold on and wait and see what happens with it. Okay, I'm now long GILD at 101.3. I'm long outer 67.79, and we're still long RCPT. And you can see we've actually had this on outer. We've actually had this break up, wonderful break up. 550 up on outer, 478 on RCPT. We need a break over 126. Really need a break over 126. I wasn't going to have to start to take off my position. Let's just hold on here a minute and see how the price reacts. Now we've had this tiny pullback here. We did actually have a break over resistance, but we've got quite a lot of volume on the self back down. And you see how this moving average holds up. If we can hold buoyant here, then we should be fine to cover over 126. We just have to wait by and see how things move over the next few seconds. Okay, we can see RCPT continue to push up. We're actually up at $685 at the moment, 550 on outer. I'm taking off half the position of RCPT here. I'm not sure if we're going to get a push over 126, but if we are, I still want to be holding some position size, so I'm going to hold it for now. If price does come back to break even, I'll be closing the rest of the position completely. GILD was not doing what I wanted to do. We're down 370. I'm going to close the position here, sell off 1,000 shares, get rid of that. Down $120 at the moment. Hopefully these two trades can bring it back for me. $794 up at the moment, 450 up on outer. I'm going to close outer here now. It looks like we could get a reversal, so we'll get rid of that. That's $450 up. We're still open 236 on RCPT. We're up $320 realised, 236 unrealised. Okay, moving forward, we've got an order for 1825 to sell the final 200 shares, and we're filled. I don't think at the moment the price is going to move much over 126 right now without a retrace. We've taken the profit, we're out of the market, so we'll just wait and see what that comes on later on. If we get another signal, then we'll come back in and have a look. Now I went long earlier, ALMY, 95.39 it was. I've just taken off our position here at highs. I'm not sure if it's going to break through yet. We'll wait and see how price acts now when it comes to highs. If we get any kind of selling momentum, selling volume, we're going to start selling off the rest of the shares. Got rid of an extra 100. We'll see on a 2-minute chart now. We can see the seller volume coming in at highs. It's actually made a double top, so I'm going to get rid of the rest here. Sell the 400 shares. We're up 1,432, minus 280 on MGNX. I'll probably have to cut this one pretty soon. It's not looking too nice at the moment. Okay, we're at MGNX, we're out, minus $280. I'm shorting CBI here. We've got a bear flag just above lows. I believe it's going to break lows. We've got an order for 1,000 shares at 53.80, which is just under lows. Okay, moving forward, we've broken lows. You can see we're up just over £600. I've sold off a third of my shares of 221 realised, 443 unrealised. We're going to start to get rid of more shares over the next few minutes. I'm going to set a stop order now for break even in case price does react to this break of lows and start pulling back. We now have near enough a free trade. We've taken $221. If we set a stop order for break even, there's no possible way we can lose any money. So even if the $463 does retrace and we end up at break even, we've still taken $221 from the stock. That's the basic idea. So we have a free trade now with zero risk. Now if you join the trading room, you'll see this quite a lot. We try and get free trades as often as we can. It completely eliminates the risk, which means it eliminates the psychology as well, which means you're not going to make any silly decisions. We'll come back to this. You can see the trade actually did come back to break even, close us out the rest of the trade, so we actually made $215 on it, unfortunately, but that's the name of the game sometimes. That's going to be me done for the day, so I hope to see you next time.